Vedanta philosophy came in ancient times, 6,000 years ago or even older. First principle it teaches is Brahman is real and Jagat is illusion. Brahman means consciousness is real and the world is elusive. And this is misunderstood. People say, I am the body, I'm hungry, I feel thirsty, I feel pleasure, pain. How could you call me? I'm elusive. What quantum physics has done is they have validated this scientifically for people to accept it in reality. In reality, quantum physics says entire universe is nothing but consciousness, unified field of consciousness, and other than that, everything is nothing but energy and waves. So everything we see as a name and forms, human beings, animals, rocks, minerals, all these are elusive. It is nothing but the same energy manifesting in different forms. So quantum physics says entire universe is elusive. Elusive means it is impermanent. Nothing holds permanent. We are born, we change, and we die. Same way, everything that is born dies. Ultimately, nothing remains but 5 basic elements, and those 5 basic elements that Vedanta calls constitutes entire universe is fundamental rudimentary elements, which is earth, water, fire, air, and space. So these 5 elements interacting with each other makes names and forms. Just like gold is constant, but golden ornaments changes. Same way, entire universe called Jagat or Prakriti is constant, but within it everything changes. So nothing is permanent, nothing is reliable, and everything we see that really changing, and something that is changing cannot give us happiness. These 5 elements actually exist in the space. So space is one of the elements. 4 elements is earth, water, fire, and air. Space is constant. Within that, these 4 elements interact. Space doesn't have size, shape, it is constant. And entire universe is nothing but combination of consciousness and energy. So if we look at our body, it is nothing but consciousness and energy. We look at animal kingdom, consciousness is energy. We look at plant kingdom, mineral kingdom is combination of matter or energy and consciousness. But this consciousness evolves at different levels. Mineral kingdom, though it carries consciousness as energy, but as very fundamental level, it has only matter which is visible, energy is hidden. Plant kingdom has matter and energy, so plant kingdom feels a sensation. Animal kingdom has matter, energy, and mind, so animals feel more sensation, pleasure, and pain. Only humans have 2 more levels of development, and which is intellect and consciousness. Intellect is utilized to question who am I. If human beings don't use their intellect, then they will become worse than animals who have instinct. So we are more evolved with greater choices, and the choice is not to utilize intellect and live the life worse than the animals. But if we choose and use the intellect, we use it for higher purpose, which is questioning who am I and get to know ourselves. And also the faculty called consciousness or ahankar that gives us capacity to experience bliss. Animal kingdom have horizontal spine. Humans have vertical spine, and gives us potential to experience consciousness and bliss. Animals feel kind of happiness, pleasure, and pain, but they are controlled by instinct. they cannot think beyond. You cannot read scriptures in front of animals. It won't relate to them. You don't show them the artistic design. For them it means nothing because they don't have intellect. They don't have choice. They are controlled by nature to eat certain food and be happy with that. They have greater faculty than humans because they have instinct, and because of that instinct they have greater capacity for survival. We have greater freedom, and if we don't use it properly, we lose the capacity of instinct, and also we lose the capacity for intuition. Purpose of intellect is intuition. Get to know ourselves, to know the higher potential we have.